Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use auto volume leveling on your Samsung The Frame TV. To do that, press the settings button that is located right beneath your power button on the remote control. Press OK to open settings, then go to all settings and navigate down to sound menu. In sound menu, navigate to expert settings and here find auto volume feature. Now if you enable this feature, click OK or yes, your TV will equalize sound automatically so that the volume level will remain the same no matter which channel you turn on or which HDMI source you switch to. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.